What's up, everybody? Justin here with Bear Zapper Barbecue. I hope you're having a great day. We've got some wings there. We brined those bad boys in some seasonings, some beer. We've got the big green egg going, and we got the tongs. Click, 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 click. Stay tuned because we're going to make some banging wings. All right, so we're going to brine our chicken wings with some Yingling traditional lager. We threw in 2 pints of this. We threw in some signature seasoning, and now a little bit of AP seasoning as well. We're going to mix that up nice. We're going to throw the chicken wings in. We're going to let these brine for a couple hours. We're going to mix this up. Got our chicken wings here. Toss those right in, let them brine. All right, we're going to mix these around. Make sure that they're all soaking up some of that awesome juice. Let's brine them. Choo choo. The egg train is coming through. Getting this bad boy up to 350. We've got our chicken wings that we took out of the brine. We left out so they can dry out just a bit. Put them under the cover of the house because it's just starting to rain. We want to get this up to 350. We're at about 300 right now. So yeah. Get this up. Then we're going to close the hatch a little bit. We're going to smoke these bad boys. Wings are on. Let's close this up and let them smoke. All right, so we've got the butter melting. Now we're going to take our garlic buffalo wing sauce. We're going to throw it in here. We're going to mix it up, and then we're going to top it with chives. All right, so to the sauce, we're also going to add some blue cheese dressing. Mix that up together. You want the color of it to be like Thousand Island dressing, or French dressing, or Russian dressing. All right, time to take the wings off. We got some nice color on them. Beautiful color, smells good. Can't wait to douse these in the sauce. All right, now we're going to toss some wings into a container. Got the sauce up. Boil. And we're going to cover our wings in our sauce. And flipperoo.